Hello, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech. Previous videos I had done an unboxing for the DJI Osmo Action camera, and got it in this little Manfrotto hand, kind of like in a vlogging style. But I wanted to do today an unboxing on the Tilda Osmo Action cage for the camera, because there are some things that this particular cage doesn't let us do that this one will do, and I'm going to show it to you right after this. Okay, so this is the Tilda, it's an Action, says for DJI Osmo Action camera. It's a cage. There are some things that that the regular cage doesn't allow us to do. That, you know, here, let me take this one out of the, kind of let you, first of all, they did, DJI did fix this little housing so they can put this audio adapter on here. All right, so that's pretty good. But if I wanted to put like a little microphone, or there's no hot shoe here, there's no other adapters. If I also wanted to change the battery, I would have to take it out all completely on this, so that we would have to take the entire thing out, see? So that was something that I didn't care for. In order for me to take out the battery, you gotta release all this stuff. With this, I had heard about this one here along with the small rig, and so we'll see what we got here. This is all aluminum alloyed. Case, manuals, all the nice little goodies. All right, and it's got this plastic. That's it for that box. All right, so let's lay that to the side. And then nice plastic case. Looks like a 3x5 card holder. Oh wow, this is very nice, very nice. This is aluminum alloyed. I like it. Has all these 3/4 options here. 1, 2, 3. It's got a cold shoe mount here. It's got another cold shoe mount here, plus other cases here. This is heat conducting silica gel. So in here, for example, it's got this gel here for heat conducting, because the Osmo camera does get a little hot. Not to the point where you can't really do anything, but it does a little hot, and so it holds it in a little bit and helps it circulate the heat, I guess, or something like to that effect. I'm not a geek type of person or technic, but I do like gadgets. Hello. And anyway, so this is all aluminum alloyed. It's got little finger thing so we can run it here like that on that. So we can put it here, or if you wanted to go side mount or portrait mode, you can do it that as well. And then you have a 52 millimeter, excuse me, camera mount thing. And does it have a thread on here? It does have a thread, I believe, so you can thread different filters and all that. That kind of goes right over here if you want to. And it's got a little Allen wrench for the two types of screws that we have. So let's just go ahead and put this in and see how that goes in. Okay. Nice, snug. It doesn't, oh wow, very nicely snug. It's got cutouts for the microphones and speakers. Very nice. Got this so that it can fit nicely, and boom, there it is. Look at that, fits very nice. The audio adapter. All right, let's put that here. All right, so this goes in very nicely snug in. It's got sealants so that it won't rattle in the cage. And then when you put it in, you slide this, pushing down, and there it is, snaps right in. Boy, this is tight. This ain't going, no, this is not gonna shake or rattle or any of that on your, wow, very nice. Very nicely snugged in. And then it has also for your audio adapter as well. So, and then we, the other interesting thing that I like about this is the battery compartment. So this lets you, here in the bottom, you got this pull out, and then you have access to your battery to take it off and put a new one, all right? And it's nice and heavy. So this little contraption here is nice and heavy. Close it back in, lock it up, and it snaps back all into place. All right, let's put this here. This has a nice, nice feel. That is not heavy. All right, boom, nice. All right. Okay. You also have this this thread here that we can go in this fashion as well too. And I can go in this fashion as well too, see? So this also gives you this 3/4 mount, or this quarter mount here. But if you wanted, we can also just lay the whole camera case in this container. There it is. And I can use this as a carrying case, a case to protect. This is very nice. This is called the DJI Action cage for the Osmo Action. I love it. I love it. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, I want to tell you I appreciate you very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to